You know, it's very rare when something within the confines of the magic universe puzzles even me. It's rare, but it does happen. This is one of those occasions. This is confusion. Watch, what we're going to do is I'm going to grab the aces out of the deck, lightning fast. Here we go. No extra charge for the sound effects. The ace of spades, the ace of hearts, the club, and the ace of diamonds. I'm going to go very slow, so there is no chance for confusion, even though it usually happens. I'll count them off. That's the ace of diamonds, that's ace number 1. The club is number 2. The heart is number 3. And the spade is number 4. There should be no confusion with how many cards I'm using for the duration of the routine. Only for just the aces. Watch. Of the 4 aces, there's actually one ace that is slightly more ambitious than the rest. Speaking, of course, of the ace of spades. Now, if I were to take the ace of spades, and if I place it onto the table, dropping the other 3 on top, all I have to do is just wave my hand over top of the packet, and it's done. The spade jumps through the other cards to arrive at the very top. Now, in case you blinked, I'll do it again. I place the other 3 aces right on top. I wave my hand, and it's done. It jumps back to the top, just like that. I'll take the spade and I place it within the packet. And again, I wave my hand, and it's done. In the shadows, it jumps back to the top. I place the ace onto the table. Wave my hand, again it jumps back to the top. I place the ace onto the bottom. I wave my hand, and again it jumps right back to the top. I place the spade onto the bottom. Again, I wave my hand and it jumps always back to the top. I place the ace onto the table, and I could do this all day until I'm blue in the face. But what really gets confusing isn't the fact that the ace keeps jumping to the top. It's that why on earth would somebody use 4 tens of hearts to do a 4 ace trick? That's what gets confusing. The name of the trick is called the 4 ten of hearts trick. You see, that's the first 10 of hearts. This is the second 10 of hearts. This is the third 10 of hearts. And this is the 4th and final 10 of hearts. So really I'm using 1, 2, 3, 4 tens of hearts, which gets very confusing for me because I'm using the 4 kings for this trick. That's the first king, followed by king number 2, followed by king number 3, followed by the 4th and final king. And it is that reason that I am always confused with confusion.